Hey guys, it's Lam here again, your tech guide, and today's video I will be doing an unboxing of the Active Watch 2 Silver Aluminum. They are on sale right now, so I just decided to why not just grab another color for my collection so that I could showcase and show you guys when it comes to buying bands, watch bands to your Active Watch 2. Now you have an aluminum silver color to relate to. So just want to show you guys all my collection here before we unbox it. So I do have the black aluminum, the stainless steel silver, and now the aluminum silver. All of them are in size 40 millimeter. I've tried the 44 millimeter and it just looks too big on me, guys. But of course, when it comes to battery life, the 44 millimeter is so much better than the 40. The 40 millimeter so far, it's been lasting me a day and a half. That is even though when I have my continuous heart rate monitor activated, that will last me roughly around that time. If I turn it off, I would at least probably get approximately 2 days. So not too bad. But anyways, let's just do an unboxing, we'll do an initial setup, and then we'll try to compare them and see what it looks like between all three Active Watch 2. So without further ado, guys, let's get started. You pretty much know the drill, what you get inside the box. But I am just excited for the color. So now I could really see how it looks like with my other watch bands when it comes to silver aluminum color. All right, off the bat, there you have it. And also I'll be showing you guys the Under Armour Active Watch 2, which I still have it, but I will be returning that tomorrow. And here it is, guys. It looks really nice. The watch band color is exactly like the Under Armour color, which I am happy with because it looks and it stands out quite a bit when you put that on the wrist. And of course you have your standard charger there. Let's just put that on the inside the box, and let's check out all the watches so that we can compare what they look like when it comes to colors. So here are my watches here, guys. They're all here. Like again, I've got the aluminum black, the stainless silver, and of course I've got the Under Armour. So as you can see, somewhat the same color watch band. The Under Armour is slightly lighter when it comes to the color of the watch band, whereas the gray, the aluminum silver here is more of a slightly darker color, but they are pretty much almost similar color, guys. So there you go. As you can see, let's grab the aluminum. We could compare it. So let me just put this on the side, guys, so we get a full footage of the watch. So when it comes to color, that's what it looks like right there. So it's not glossy silver as the stainless steel is, which I kind of not digging it anymore, because I don't know, I just find it looks like a toy, that glossy silver. If they did it like a stainless steel silver color, then I would be more thrilled. But after wearing it for a couple of times and having somebody wear it and looking at in a different point of view, I kind of find it a bit too tacky, that chrome what is that called? Chrome stainless steel color. So let's compare it now. As you can see, here it is. So here is the stainless steel versus the aluminum silver. So let's go from the side here just to show you guys what it looks like. So this is more of like it's painted on the case. Okay, so we will definitely try a lot of watch bands on all of these watches so that it will help you guys choose the best watch band for that particular color of your active watch too. So there you go, that is the difference between the colors. We could even go closer. Okay, on the other side. All right, so let's put this on my wrist and see what it looks like. I love the color of this watch band. All right, so there you go. It looks really, really nice, guys. I thought it wouldn't look good, but it just looks really good when I tried it on at the Samsung store. I was like, wow, that looks really, really nice. So either way, the silver or the black aluminum Active Watch 2, you can't go wrong with either one when it comes to colors. And I can't wait to test out all the watch bands on this silver aluminum. But first, let's try to activate this. Like again, it is very simple setup. Let me just remove my Bluetooth, turn it on. Okay, so it should detect 447. Okay, there you go. It's connecting just like that. Okay, we could say add now. So also on my next video, I'll be showing you guys some more watch faces that I've purchased. I purchased roughly around 20 watch faces. So I can't wait to show you guys what I've purchased. Tap OK, and it should be ready to pair. Man, I'm loving this color, guys. Loving this color. So if you guys are watching this video right now, they are on sale at the Samsung store, and I think also at Best Buy and also on Amazon. So go check them out before it's too late. And they are quite a great deal, guys. Like the pricing is just amazing on it. I was also debating if I should purchase the Apple Watch 2 or what is that? Apple Watch Series 5 just to compare it with the Active Watch 2. I'm still debating if I should do that, but the pricing of the Apple Watch is just ridiculous, guys. Here in Canada, it would cost me roughly around 600, and this one with the deal right now, it cost me roughly around $335, which is amazing price. So it is just syncing right now. So here's the the Under Armour. I do love the watch face of the Under Armour, especially on standby mode. It turns black and it just shows a white highlight tone to it. Let me try to put it on my arm here so that I could show you guys what it looks like. But other than that, guys, the Under Armour is pretty much the same as the Active Watch 2. The only difference is the watch band itself, the watch face, which only comes one watch face. Under Armour, one, you know, it only comes with the one to choose from. I mean, like Under Armour watch face, it only comes with the one. And also it's got the Under Armour app, and the rest is pretty much the same. So it is kind of pointless to pay extra money for... Okay, it's not working here, guys. Uh-oh, something went wrong. Uh-oh, I think I connected it with my Under Armour here, but hold on. Oh, it's connecting. It's almost there. So let's just put this all in my hand here just to show you guys. Oh, it didn't go through. So that's what it looks like. And we'll add the stainless steel. So there you have it. I am still pairing, and that is the collection that I have here so far. Looks awesome, guys. And what else am I missing? I don't think I will be getting the rose gold or whatever that color, bronze color. I don't know, I just find it not a pleasing color. Maybe the ladies might like it, but for me, it's just not my taste. I just cannot pair it with any other, like when it comes to outfit, I don't think I could even pair it or match it with my outfit. It's just too off of a color. So it is pairing right now. I'm just gonna fast forward this and all right, so there you have it, guys. I got it paired up, and that's what you get. That's what it looks like. Every colors has their own different theme or background watch face. For this one, this is what you get. So let's put this on my wrist and see what it looks like. Oh, it's a little bit too tight. Let's just adjust it quickly here. And there you have it. Looks really, really nice, guys. So I've got the standby mode screen display right there. So that's what's gonna happen. That's what it will show you if it's on standby, and it still looks amazing, guys. So let's flick my wrist here to get the full animation background, and let's look around. Take a look what it looks like on my wrist. So there you have it, guys. Just another unboxing of the Watch Active 2. Stay tuned for my watch faces and assorted watch faces that I recently purchased. I purchased around 20 of them. And also we will be checking out some more watch bands on this, pretty much all of the Active Watch 2. All right, so once again, guys, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.